Go ahead and remove your center cover here. That's going to expose your lug nuts. Remove all 6 of your 21mm lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Now the next thing we're going to do is break free our jam nut right here. There we are. Remove your outer tie rod end nut. Now let's go ahead and use our hammer, and we're going to give our knuckle a couple loving bonks to break this free. Now let's use some locking pliers. Come right up on this inner tie rod end stud here, and then we'll remove our outer tie rod end. You want to make sure you count this on the way out. What I mean by that is, here we go around, 1, 2, 3, and then so on. All right, so I got 23, results may vary. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new outer tie rod end. You want to make sure you put this in the same amount of turns that you removed the old one. Let's go ahead and put this back into the knuckle. Start our nut on there. Let's snug up the jam nut. Let's go ahead and snug the tie rod nut. And now we'll torque it to 44 foot-pounds. Now we need to pay attention to our castle nut and make sure it lines up with the hole in the stud. If it doesn't, you need to continue tightening until the next hole does. That looks good. Let's go ahead and put our little cotter pin in here. And then of course, pin it over so there's no way this nut can loosen up. Let's go ahead and get our wheel back up on here. Start on the lug nuts, and then we'll torque them to manufacturer specifications. All right, now with the wheel just barely touching the ground, we're going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds. A little center cover on there, torqued.